back with cooking with Chalupa number 3. Today, we have a very special lunch prepared here that we're going to cook just for you, the people at home. Today, we have none other than from great value. We have white meat chicken egg roll with a sweet and sour sauce packet, which is included with the egg roll that you can put on the top right here, and it's probably help. Okay, and it's also from Walmart. So that is what we're making today, which is about 170 calories. One egg roll with a 1.5 teaspoon of sauce. So we're doing microwave, so we will open the box like so. There's all 4 egg rolls in sauce right there. So it says, oh, we're doing the FIA. Okay. So now we do FIA. So now it says, remove film and sauce. You place 4 frozen egg rolls in the FIA. Okay. Let's go ahead and open this. I'll get my bottom this FIA. So it says place them in the FIA. So I will go and take about 1 here. Oh, you want me to clean? Oh, but it's a little dirty in there. Yeah, we might as well clean it. So we're going to clean this. We'll be back. And all this is clean and the egg rolls and the temperature will be back. So stay with us. We'll be back after this short commercial. Welcome. When I'm thirsty and I need something to drink, I always have an amazing picture of Chalupa. Now, this is a great drink that is very sugary. You just put a little bit there, and you see, there's a grape. Sugar drink, and it is a Chalupa. So I'm going to put it back here, and this is a little huma. You always want to keep it cold. There is the Chalupa. Fantastic. That's Chalupa light. Maybe sugary, low in calories. When you're thirsty, drink Chalupa light. Welcome back, everybody, after that short commercial break. Now we will put in the egg roll. So you want to place all 4 of them into the fire like so. Space them out a little bit now that it's all washed and dry and clean. And clean the last one. You know, take a good look. This is the egg roll. It's going to be great and smell crispy. You go ahead and take a look in the air fryer. You know, you put it open down that way, and then one side more soil. In the drawer is the egg roll. So now it says to set the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for about 11 to 13 minutes. And the rest of the too. So we plop it in. So we go do the thing. Oh, I got to plug in the FIA for energy to cook. There we go. Okay. So now, the cameraman will do his work. Set it to about 350 and put the timer there for about 14 minutes. That's good, yeah. So we get it, extra 2 minutes so it can become a little more crispy. So now 360. Let that cook for 40 minutes so it gets a little extra crispy. I'll be right back after it's done. Yo, it's Mr. Chalupa and the eggs roll are done. So, here we go. Big reveal. In 3, 2, 1. There are the egg rolls. All 4 is in. They're fully cooked. Alright, we're back. Is egg rolls. So now we got a sauce. It's kind of cold, but it is what it is. So now we gotta put this on a plate. Okay, let's see. So now, okay, the sauce. The sauce is the full thing. We'll put the egg rolls here in the plate. Okay. So that'll be back of that. The egg rolls here cool. The sauce should be defrosted banana. So now shake it up, you know. There you go. The sauce is defrosted now. We have to open it up. You gotta cut this open. Alright. Let's see. We need some scissors. Use a knife. Okay. Expert cutting skills. Oh yeah. Okay. That's probably not cut it, but we're gonna work on this. There we go. Alright. So now you just carefully place the sauce over, like so. Like that. Give you 1 second, sir, and put in the sauce. There you go. Chinese egg roll. What's that gentleman over there? Then we'll get the other one. God damn it. Really spicy. Sweet and spicy. And this shit. This one out. Alright. And there you go. Chinese egg roll with the sauce. That's cooking with Chalupa number 3. I hope you like, comment, subscribe. Without further ado,